Today, after a long time, I'm grateful that I'm able to understand English language and I'm able to speak English language. You might be thinking that why she is grateful? Her English is not up to the mark. She is not an advanced speaker. She doesn't sound like native. But my friends, forget about my English level. Today, just let me be happy that whatever I have achieved. I wasn't able to understand English language. I wasn't able to speak English language, but now I am. And before I answer your why, that why it is important to be grateful, let me tell you one thing. You may know or may not know that my videos are not scripted. I never write any script. And why? Because it is quite difficult for me. Writing something and then speaking the same thing, it's very hard for me. And that is why ever since I started recording my video, I never write anything. It's very challenging for me. It might be easy for some people, but to be honest, it's very challenging for me. So today when I came here in this garden, I was not aware that what I was going to create. So I came here and I was just standing and thinking what to create, and I found this topic, that why we should be grateful. And the moment I got this topic, I felt energized. I felt so happy, See, why we should be grateful that what we have achieved. It gives us motivation, it gives us fuel to go ahead. Let's take one example. You have a bike. You are riding day in and day out, but you are not filling the fuel in the bike or in the car. You are just riding or driving. So how long can you ride and drive? It has the limit, right? So time to time we have to fill the fuel. Same way, if we want to achieve anything in our life, something big, then time to time we have to give that fuel to ourselves also. And to be honest, after a long time, I'm being grateful. And in front of you people. Otherwise, when I was a beginner, I used to be grateful because I used to read those kind of books, but this time I'm reading little different books. That is why I had left this habit to feel grateful that whatever we have. Whatever books I'm reading nowadays, these books also tell us that you should be grateful. But to be honest, after a long time, today I thought this and I'm feeling energized. It's very important. You should be grateful. It doesn't matter what is your level. You might be a beginner, you might be an intermediate, you might be an advanced speaker. I know we all want to speak English language fluently. I know we want to sound like native speaker. But it is not one day task. It takes years and years. It takes a lot of time to be a fluent English speaker. So if you don't be grateful, if you don't feel happy that whatever you have achieved throughout your journey, then my friend, it's very hard to be motivated. You will seek motivation from here and there. But if you see yourself that where you were, if you see your old version, that few years back you are not able to understand English language, you are not able to speak English language, it was very hard for you. But nowadays you can understand and you can speak English language, and that is why you are watching my video also, right? So be grateful because it gives you energy. It makes you feel happy. My friend, after a long time, today when I got this idea, and I told you the moment I got this idea or I thought about this topic, a kind of motivation came in my mind. The moment I thought. So, it can happen with you also. If you feel grateful that whatever you have achieved in this language or throughout this journey, you will be happy, and I believe it will help you to become a fluent English speaker. It will help you to give more time, more energy to this language. But my friend, if we are very much worried and we are just running after fluency and we are not being happy that whatever we have achieved, we will feel exhausted, we will feel demotivated, because it is not one day task. It takes a lot of time, I told you, right? It is years and years journey. It takes a lot of time, okay? So if you don't feel motivated, if you don't be grateful, then it will be hard for you to become a fluent English speaker. And you may stop somewhere, you may stop learning this language. And if you stop learning this language, how can you become a fluent English speaker? How can you? You cannot, right? So if you want to speak English language, if you want to sound like a native speaker, then give fuel to yourself, and being grateful, feeling happy for whatever we have achieved is fuel. It gives energy, right? That is why we need to be grateful, and we will be motivated to do more hard work, to do more practice, and that's what it takes to become a fluent English speaker, right? But if you are not being grateful, you will be exhausted. You may stop learning English language, and once you stop, no one can make you a fluent English speaker, right? So that is why be grateful, feel happy whatever you have achieved. And you are watching right now my video, right? So it's not one day practice that I'm able to speak English language, or whatever my level would be, an intermediate level or an advanced level, I really don't know. So it's not one day achievement. I have given a lot of time, I have given a lot of energy, and that's why I'm able to speak English language, you know. So if you don't feel happy, then you cannot learn English language fast way, because you will stop, I know. And it happens with many of us. Sometimes I also feel that I should stop learning English language, but if I see myself that how worried I was, how I used to think about this language, then it gives me motivation. You know what? It was my dream to speak English language. So I wasn't able to read English book. I wasn't able to understand English language, but now I'm able. Now I'm able to speak English language. So how happy I should be, right? And if I feel happy, if I feel motivated, then I'm going to practice more and more from today onwards. Truth be told, I practice every single day, but if we have positive mindset, if we are happy, and if we are grateful, the chances are we will improve our English fast way. You know, we'll be a fluent English speaker in short period of time. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.